Hello everyone, B2 Williams here from DJI Imagery. If you're flying enterprise drones using FlightHub 2, or you want to increase your understanding of mission planning and workflow skills, this membership is designed specifically for you. I've created the Enterprise Access and Enterprise Pro members-only areas where I can give you deeper training, clearer guidance, and more direct support than I can in public videos. So as a member, you'll get member-only live streams where you can ask questions in real time, FlightHub 2 deep dives and workflow breakdowns, priority replies to your technical questions, early access to new tutorials, member-only shorts with quick tips and behind-the-scenes insights, and occasional templates to help with mission planning and enterprise workflows. These sessions are focused on real-world flying, mapping, inspections, RTK, gimbal angles, overlaps, planning logic, and everything that actually matters when you're out on a job. This isn't entertainment, it's practical, professional training for pilots who want to fly smarter and get more from their equipment. If you want to support this channel and join a community of pilots who are serious about improving their skills, hit the join button and become part of the DJI Imagery Enterprise team. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next members only session.